Titanium drill.
Called titanium coated, and you just got the regular ones. And I'm going to be honest with you, to tell you the truth, I don't know whether this color is just one of these with this color on it. I can't tell the difference. I got all kinds of various ones. Now I picked up this set. It was hundreds of drill bits for $19.99 about 20 years ago. And you know, these drill bits,
Titanium is used to coat the drill bit in order to improve some characteristics. Pure titanium is not applied to the drill bit. Titanium is mixed with aluminium, nitrogen, and carbon, and then it is applied around the drill bit. The most applied coatings are tin, TCN, and TALN. Titanium drill bits bring speed and heat resistance to the drilling game. The tin coating also helps chips flow through the flutes, which is helpful because some materials, like aluminium, adhere to bits more than others. Colors and materials for titanium drill bits: titanium nitride, bright gold, titanium carbonitride, blue/gray, aluminium nitride, violet.
$40 to $50 if you're buying it at retail, but you do see some pretty good sales on this thing around the holiday season if you're not in dire need of it. The set will run from 1/16 up to 13/64 in sort of the, I would say, like kind of the standard sizes, and then it'll go up to a 1/2 inch in the really big sizes. So nice array of sizes, obviously, with these small guys.
Materials used in titanium drill bits: carbide, high-speed steel, powder, high-speed steel, titanium nitride. Carbide, high-speed steel, powder, high-speed steel, titanium carbonitride. Carbide, high-speed steel, powder, high-speed steel, titanium aluminium nitride. Characteristics of titanium drill bits. What materials can be drilled using titanium drill bits? Magnesium, iron, steel, wood, aluminium, other soft metals, plastics, fiberboard, abrasive plastics, hard rubber. Can you sharpen titanium drill bits? Once the coating is gone over time, even though you resharpen them, it will not show its best performance as the bit loses much of its heat resistance. Therefore, rather than recoating them or resharpening, it is always recommended to replace them with new ones.
Hi folks, welcome to another episode of NYC CNC. Drilling and tapping is a quintessential machine shop operation. Here I'm using my Tapmatic tapping head, shooting some video footage with my DSLR at regular speed and then slowing it down in post. But now, let's take a look with a proper high-speed camera.
For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.